Congrats, you now have OneDrive up and running in your business. Now what? Here are 3 quick tips and tricks to make sure you get the most out of this application. Before we get started, a brief reminder that OneDrive is your personal storage space in the cloud, and all your files are private by default, accessible only to you unless you choose to share them. Otherwise, let's get into it. Number 1, download the OneDrive app on your personal device. You never know when you might need to access a file, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Simply navigate to the App Store and search OneDrive and look for the OneDrive logo. This is available on both Android and Apple. Once you have it downloaded, it'll prompt you to log in, and it's simple as that. Now you have access to everything, giving you the ability to view and edit your files from anywhere. In terms of navigation, it remains pretty similar to what you see on desktop. You can see you have a Home tab, Files tab, Shared tab, and a Libraries tab. I do want to mention too, if you go to the top left corner where you see your profile picture, you can click that and then you can see a plus icon to add another account if you do have multiple OneDrives. Another really neat feature that this app has is it includes a built-in scanner feature that allows you to scan documents, receipts, whiteboards, and business cards directly into OneDrive. Tip number 2 is how to use the search capability through Microsoft Bing. So Microsoft Bing and OneDrive work together to enhance your search experience by allowing you to search for files stored in OneDrive directly from the Bing search engine. Just remember you have to be logged into your Microsoft account and have Microsoft Bing as your default search engine. So a good example of a use case for this is if you remember part of a piece of content but not the file name, you can use Bing to search for keywords or phrases within your documents. So for example, I just searched modern work and you can see this 2W square pops up. This is pulling all your internal information, not information from the internet. Another way to get results from your internal database is going to this Work tab. This again will bring you to your OneDrive but allow you to use Bing's search capabilities. I do want to point out too that Bing respects the privacy and security of your OneDrive files, so only you have access to your personal files and the search results are tailored to your account. So nothing changes just because they're popping up through Bing. Third tip is there are multiple ways to share a file across OneDrive. So first way and probably most common, if you navigate to the folder or file you want to share, you'll see these 3 dots. If you click into that, you'll see a share button. If you click into there, you'll have a few options. One, you can just go copy the link right off the bat. This essentially copies it to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you'd like. If you go into the little settings icon to the right, that's what's going to allow you to change some of the security permissions there. Otherwise, you can type in a specific name, group, or email into this box, and then select if you want them to be able to edit, view, or download, and then add a message and click send. Alternatively, if you're in an actual Office 365 app, you can share it directly from there as well by navigating to the right, clicking the share button, and here you have the same option. So you can either just copy the link or you can click share, in which it'll bring up a similar window that we just went through. This is also pretty similar in the mobile app as well. Another way, and a really quick way if you're on your desktop to share a file, is navigate to the bottom right-hand corner where you'll see the OneDrive logo. If you click into that, this provides you with a lot of different shortcuts. But if you find the file that you're looking for and you click the 3 dots to the right, it'll give you that share option once again, and it'll bring up that similar box. No matter what way you use to share your files, they all allow you to control who can access the files and what they can do with them, ensuring that your data remains secure while being easily shareable. Hope these 3 quick tips help you along the way as you get started with OneDrive, and as always, reach out if you have any questions.